Facebook lock option not showing. Hello, Facebook users. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be addressing a common concern many of you have been facing: the mysterious disappearance of the lock option on Facebook. Go to your Facebook profile and take the screenshot of your Facebook profile where lock option is not showing. Go back. Again, click on 3 lines at the top. Scroll down. Click on Report a problem. Click on Continue to report a problem. Wait for a while. Click on Include a report. Now select the reason. Write your report here. Now report is here. Upload the screenshot you took from your Facebook profile. Now submit the report. It was submitted successfully. Thank you for joining us today as we tackled the Facebook lock option issue. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.